Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and inspection services. Our expertise in ISO 9227 to 2017 salt spray testing ensures the durability of metal components in furniture. Corrosion testing is vital to ensure your furniture withstands the toughest environmental conditions. CDG Inspection proudly serves diverse industries: automotive, construction, and furniture manufacturing. With advanced facilities, we deliver precise and reliable test results. We combine expertise, precision, and customer-centric service to exceed expectations. Our process is seamless: submit samples, testing begins, and results delivered promptly. Watch as our experts rigorously test furniture components for corrosion resistance. Every test adheres to ISO 9227 to 2017 standards, ensuring credibility and accuracy. Get detailed reports with actionable insights to improve product performance. Our services are trusted worldwide, ensuring global quality standards. Our satisfied clients speak for our excellence. We maintain eco-friendly practices in all our testing services. Partner with CDG Inspection today to ensure your products stand the test of time. CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in quality assurance.